fun. Good job.
Legends! Liberty! Legends! Liberty! Legends! Liberty! Legends!
The human notch.
Got a weird knot.
Let me get
Aaron, let go of that hand.
Alright. Can I get room? Stay in a circle, guys.
My hat, watch out for my hat.
Wait, Jimmy, turn around. Okay,
Guys,
circle. Guys, wait, no, wait.
I'm back up.
Okay, time's up. That's fine.
How you think it will help you in the future?
Well, FLL will help you in STEM, science, technology, engineering, math. Because you could use
Cooperation. This year, we had a workshop at Eastlake Middle School, and after that workshop, 4 new FLL teams established.
There was 2 really good ideas that we had for our robot. So it was kind of a debate. So we combined both of them to make the best result.
Well, some of our team was part of FLL last year, and so that half of the team helped some people who are new.
We will combine our ideas, and if that doesn't work, we'll find the best idea and try to cooperate with adding them all the best. Liberty, legends, liberty, legends, liberty, legends, liberty. That's the runway area. For just normal rotations.
As you can see, we have no sensors. The reason for that is because last year our sensors failed on us. So this year we just tried to do it without sensors, and it's trying to work out really good.
We're a little bitter about the sensors. That's all right.
Delivery Legends recovered both of the pets. As well.
Perfect. Get that supply on. Get the supply. Yes. 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 High five. Let's go. Back to the pit area. Good job, yeah. Good job, dude. Nice. Woohoo.
And now for first place category.
But then we figured if we just got the green guy, it would give us more points.
Strategy.
Strategies.
So at the very end, we kind of did this for a while.
Yeah, the obstacle wasn't as repeatable. And the obstacle would take about half a minute just for us to do the obstacle, and it's much easier just to go get the green guy. Plus, it's 2 extra.
Did you have fun?
Yes! Broken house.
No, wildfire. Wildfire.
Broken house. Just make a broken everyone. Broken house. Broken house. Broken house. Broken house.
Broken house?
Yeah, broken house.
Okay. Broken house.
Everybody
broken house.
As hard.
Excuse me.
Cool.
Excuse me. Okay.
Guys, use yellow too.
Yeah, yellow. Fire usually has yellow on it.
Keep it. Good. Turn it. I think that's enough for now. That's the roof, but it got destroyed.
Okay. So you know ahead of time.
See, it's also been
That's all the rubble and stuff left from it.
And
Yeah.
there's a fire still burning on the corner.
Yeah, the yellow and red represent fire.
And as you can see on the front, we have a fire, and it's blue in the bottom because the fire is when it's very hot.
And we've got some questions for you, correct?
Hello, we are Liberty Legends, Team 9976.
We chose the community of Escondido, which is northeast of San Diego, California. We use the community of Escondido because in that area there are a lot of dry bushes, grasses, and trees. So you can call it a wildfire zone.
Some fire facts, specifically about the witch fire of 2007, 500,000 people had to be evacuated from their homes, and 365 of those people lost their homes during the fire. There were also 2 deaths, and 200,000 acres were destroyed.
We identified the problem as wildfires because they destroy houses and firefighters cannot be everywhere at the same time, so they might also damage possessions and might read on for hours.
Our innovative solution was EFS, or emergency fire sprinklers. The emergency fire sprinklers go on top of houses to make a wall of water to defend against wildfires until firefighters can arrive. Before we make a pump for the EFS, before we make a water tank, the generator, the pumps, and the generator gives power to the pumps. The water tank gives water to the pumps, and the pumps put water into the sprinklers, and the sprinklers put water to protect the house. We use the 3D digital program called Minecraft, which is a game that simulates the world. We use the game Minecraft to make the scene of fire in our EFS solution. We invited the State Farm agent to our little place and shared and gathered a little more information. We also went to the fire department together and share our solutions.
Part of our sharing with others are these flyers that we've made, which we've also given to the firefighters and the State Farm agents. They will help us distribute these flyers.
Now, as you can see, we have many pictures of wildfires. Now, here is a house that obviously would have been saved by the EFS. This is a plane spreading its fire retardant. That's a large fire in the background. Right down here is a whole community that would have been saved by the EFS.
Our research involved the State Farm agent, reading books, the fire department, and the internet. Do you have any questions? Well, we had sprinklers on top of the house because sprinklers just on your
At table number 4, coming in blue, the Liberty Legends!
Liberty Legends making some adjustments, as are the Galaxy Box.
Oh yeah, Robo Ribbon. Bring the ambulance out of the yellow zone next up. Oh, Robo headed for the red zone. Very close. So,
And that is time.
that's the end of the round. Yeah! Excellent job, all.
It's time to do the check. And don't let it be everybody turn. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left.
Last call, please. Round number 3 is complete. Hey,
Gangnam Style.